I'm Mike at Top Dog SF, and I'm here with Kodiak, the Aussie Shepherd. In this video, we're going to talk about gentle leader training. If we train a puppy to be comfortable wearing a gentle leader before we ever take them out on a walk, then they will be set up for success just in case we ever do need to use it. Gentle leaders are great for large and small breed dogs that have a problem with pulling, lunging, and even reactivity out in public. We know that some people don't like the idea of using gentle leaders or head harnesses, but this is considered to be the most humane and ethical way to train a dog not to pull and lunge on a leash. And gentle leaders and head harnesses are recommended by the Animal Care and Control and the SPCA. It takes a few steps and plenty of conditioning to get a puppy to be comfortable wearing a gentle leader when we ask them to. First, we want to start by just putting the gentle leader out on the floor, dropping a treat in it, letting the puppy eat the treat, moving it, dropping another treat, letting the puppy eat it, moving it, dropping another treat. And this way the puppy learns to go to the gentle leader all on their own. Now, I'm going to hold the treats through the loop, and I'm going to just sort of put the gentle leader on Kodiak's face and take it off. And the rule when training gentle leaders is that the rewards only come when the gentle leader is on the puppy's face, so no rewards for taking it off. We also don't need to use any markers at this point, so no clicker, no yes marker, no good marker. We just want to create a positive association to the puppy putting their face through the loop all on their own. Now we're going to start building a little bit of duration after the puppy puts their nose through the loop. So I'm just going to hold the gentle leader here, and I'm going to keep feeding Kodiak little pieces. And now I'm going to actually take the gentle leader and clip it around Kodiak's head and then feed him a couple more pieces and then take it off. No rewards for taking it off. I'm going to put the gentle leader on, and I'm going to mimic the feeling of the leash pulling on the gentle leader. And we're just going to start here. This was a great little first desensitization exercise for Kodiak to wear the gentle leader. And in the next session, we're going to put the leash on and actually start walking Kodiak, doing some luring exercises with the gentle leader on. I have food in my hand, and we're just going to start moving together. And I want Kodiak to stay focused on me and the food and not worry about the gentle leader on his face. And I'm going to give a little tug on the gentle leader and feed, tug, feed. And I want Kodiak to think that the tug of the gentle leader predicts a reward. And this is what dogs oftentimes do when the gentle leader goes on for the first time, is they'll try and fight it, and they'll shake their head and try and get it off. And that's totally normal. And this is why we want to take our time and build up the value in wearing the gentle leader and not just expect a dog to start walking normally with the gentle leader on right away. I'm gonna lure Kodiak with some food in my hand for a few steps, and then I'm gonna see if I can start marking and rewarding Kodiak walking with me as we move together with the gentle leader on. Yes. 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 Now what I'm going to try and do is feed Kodiak his lunch, a little bit at a time, while he's wearing the gentle leader. Cody, yes. Cody, yes. All right, that's it. We just want to start by creating a positive association to the gentle leader and getting Cody to do some type of activity that keeps him distracted from trying to get it off of his nose. We want to do this for several sessions over a couple of days before we try and take our puppy or dog out on a walk wearing the gentle leader. If we do this over a couple sessions, over a couple of days, then we will definitely set our puppy or dog up for success so that they will be happy to wear the gentle leader. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and check out our other videos. For more information about Top Dog SF, please visit our website, topdogsf.com.